Imagine you got a haircut today, and when you walked out of the barber shop, you made one strange decision. You would never cut your hair again. Not next month, not next year, not even when you're 80. So what would actually happen? Would your hair eventually reach the floor? Would it keep growing until you looked like a human mop? Or could it become so long that you could literally trip over your own hair? Well, the first few months would be completely normal. Your hairstyle would disappear. Your hair would cover your ears, then your neck. Eventually, it would reach your shoulders, and you'd probably start thinking, okay, this is getting annoying, but you keep going. After a few years, you might expect your hair to be several meters long. Except something strange happens. Your hair doesn't grow forever. Every hair on your head has its own tiny biological timer. It grows, it rests, and eventually it falls out. Then a new hair begins growing from the same follicle. That's why most people can't grow hair all the way to the floor, even if they never touch a pair of scissors. Your hair has something called a growth phase. For scalp hair, this phase can last several years, and during that time, your hair grows roughly around a centimeter every month. So if one of your hairs grows for 6 years, it could potentially become around 70 centimeters long. But then, its timer runs out. The hair stops growing, eventually falls out, and gets replaced. Meaning your head is basically running millions of tiny hair life cycles at the same time. Some hairs are newborns, some are teenagers, some are ancient veterans hanging on for dear life. But here's where things get interesting, because everyone's timer is different. Some people have unusually long growth phases, which means their hair can become ridiculously long, long enough to reach their knees, their ankles, and in extremely rare cases, far beyond their own height. But suppose you're one of those people, and you refuse to cut it, year after year. Now your biggest problem isn't growth, it's maintenance. Long hair tangles, it knots, it gets caught in things. Your backpack, your chair, your clothes, doors, seatbelts, and eventually, someone could step on it. Imagine standing up while your friend is still standing on your hair. Your head moves, your hair doesn't. Not a great afternoon. Sleeping becomes annoying too. You'd have to move your hair before rolling over. Taking a shower could become an entire event. Drying it could take forever. And every morning, you'd basically have to manage a rope attached to your scalp. But there is another problem. Even though you never cut your hair is still getting shorter. Just not with scissors. Every day, your hair experiences friction against your pillow, your clothes, your chair, even other strands of hair. The ends slowly become damaged. They split, they snap, and pieces break away. So your hair is constantly fighting a battle. Your scalp grows it from one end, while the world slowly destroys it from the other. And eventually, those two forces can reach a kind of balance. Your hair grows, your hair breaks. Old hairs fall out, new hairs replace them. Which means there may be a point where your hair simply doesn't seem to get much longer anymore. But here's the weirdest part. Imagine you've avoided haircuts for decades. You might think you're still carrying some of the same hair you had as a teenager. You're probably not. Most of those individual hairs would have fallen out years ago. They were replaced, and those replacements were replaced again. So technically, you could go your entire life without cutting your hair while slowly replacing almost every strand on your head. It's like owning the same forest for 70 years, even though almost every leaf has changed. So if you never cut your hair again, you probably wouldn't become a walking Rapunzel. Your genetics would decide how long most of your hair could grow. Damage would constantly shorten it. Old strands would fall out. New strands would take their place. And eventually, your hair would find its own strange, natural limit. Which means scissors aren't actually what stops your hair from growing forever. Your body already does that for you.